Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another pullback day here, so certainly updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Just go ahead and get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that $23 mark was that area of support. But now at the price down below there, that becomes, the key level to watch, meaning if the price continues sideways and then turns its way back upwards, the big question mark that's out there is, okay, yeah, that's great that the price has gotten back up to 23, but I mean, can the price actually break above 23 and stay up above it? So that'll definitely be that main level of resistance to watch, to kind of measure the health or lack thereof of any sort of, bounce that occurs. Meaning if the price bounces, gets up there, and it's just like a warm knife through butter, well, then at that point, it makes good sense to say, wow, this bounce has a whole lot of power behind it. But I mean, if it gets up there and kind of just stumbles around, at that point, you'd want to be a little bit more skeptical of whether or not it's actually a bullish bounce or not. As far as next levels of support are now concerned, let's squeeze down the chart here a little bit to offer up more context here. But the next key area of support to keep an eye on moving forward, you're going to be right there at $21.40. And then if 21.40 cannot quite hold up, next key level after that, down there right around $20.50. So keep your eye on these technical levels going forward. They're definitely going to be the main dynamics. But yeah, no doubt about it. This pullback now is getting very, very deep, and we'll see if the price can try to get things consolidated and turned around or not. Still a couple days left this week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.